This is Chris Kelly with your Better Bootcamp Weeks 2 and 4 challenge workout. Once again, for this workout, we're going to need a stretch band, and that's pretty much it. So, and a chair of some kind, a chair or bench, something that you can kind of put your hands on. So, for our first exercise, actually, in the format for this is going to be the same. We have a 10-minute circuit here, 10 reps for each exercise. The goal is to accumulate as many rounds of those 4 things performed back-to-back as a circuit as possible in 10 minutes. As with our week 1 circuit, we're going to give you the opportunity to perform this in week 2 and also in week 4 so you can challenge your time and work to get even better. So for our first exercise, we're going to start out with a simple bodyweight dip. Okay, and a couple key things here in the dip, all right? A lot of people, when I see the dip, they're shrugging their shoulders initially. What I want you to think about doing is tucking your elbows into the body, shifting all the weight into the back of your hands, all right? You're really sitting back on your palms as much as you can, coming down to about parallel, so you're going to feel kind of a nice stretch there in the triceps, and coming back up. All right, to make this exercise easier, simply bend your knees. Make this exercise harder, you can straighten your legs out. Okay, to make that even harder, what you can also do is elevate your feet on a bench of some kind. So that'll make it really hard. Just the key is just make sure you're moving with proper form, and we're getting that in the back of the arms versus the shoulders. All right. Exercise 2 is a forward frog hop. Right, forward frog hop. I'm just going to take my hands here, hop forward 10 times. So it's kind of like a broad jump, except we're putting our hands down here, kind of stick your butt out like a bad dance move, getting it more in the butt, which I know is a joke, but it's true. We want to get it, we want to feel it back here, and that's the goal. Okay, so think about sticking your butt out and get it in the butt. That's good. All right, third exercise, band pull overs. So I'm going to take our band, pull back and over, squeeze shoulder blades together. That's what I'm looking for there. And the fourth exercise is called an L drill. All right, now with the L drill, what I'm going to do is set 3 things up like an L. So I have cone 1, the starting position. I'm going to line it up. We have cone 2. Okay, I'll set this chair out. Cone 2, and what I would do is sprint from cone 1 to cone 2, set a cone down to the side, shuffle to cone 3, tap down, shuffle back, and sprint back to the beginning. So in summary, once again, sprint down to cone 2, shuffle to cone 3, shuffle back, sprint home. Okay, and the goal is 5 rounds of that. Okay, so 5 through the L equals 10. Okay, so we have our dip, we have our band pull over, we have our frog jump, L drill. Perform that sequence of exercises as many times back to back as you can for 10 minutes. That's your workout. Enjoy yourself.